Life with Nique. And today we're going to do a special video where my mom rates my Shein outfits. Well, not outfits, but like clothes, because all of them are not outfits together. I just got them. So yeah. So you ready? You ready for me to rate these outfits or your items, your pieces? You ready? Yep. All right. They're all cute, period. Let's get into it. And before we get into this video, I want to give a few shout outs. I want you guys to go over to Tay's World. Go over to Tay's World, guys. Check her out. Subscribe to the channel. That's my cousin. Big her up. Support her channel, guys. Tay's World. I don't know how to say that that YouTube name, but I will leave it on the screen. So big ups to her. Go ahead, go over to her channel and make sure you guys subscribe. Watch the videos, like, comment, share, all of that. I want to give a big shout out to the Flair family. Yes, big up on yourself. Go over to their channel and check them out, guys, and subscribe, leave a comment, share, and show them some love. And if you go over there to the Flair family, guys, let them know that Life with Nique sent you guys over there. All right, make sure you guys go check them out and support them, okay? Because these people are real supporters, okay? They are real supporters. So let's just get right into the video, guys. All right, y'all, she's coming out with the first look, or the first piece. So this is the, what is this? You got the bottom, you got both pieces from Shein? Yep. The bottom and the top? Yes, ma'am. Oh, I like that shirt. I give this shirt a 9, because I would wear that. And I like your biker shorts. They're cute. You know, casual. I don't think I like it with that shirt. No, I just put it on because I ain't no bottom. Yeah, I know. But I don't think I necessarily like it with that shirt. But those are cute too. This will be cute with a nice little t-shirt or something like that. It's more like a dress down look with some sneakers or something like that. But yeah, girl, I'll give this the biker shorts, I'm gonna give that a 9 too. Cause it looks comfy. It looks, you know. These are the shorts. You know. This is the shirt. And this is the back. Okay. And yeah, on to the next. I'm talking to my best friend, you guys. She hit me up FaceTime, so you know I have to answer the phone. Because I can't leave my bestie hanging. So, you know, I'm just chopping it up with her a little bit till she come out with the second outfit, okay? Yeah, I'm going to call you when I'm done. All right. Okay, bye. Bye, Gabby. Bye. All right, guys, so she's ready to come out with the second look. So this is a two-piece set. The little top off the shoulder and a little skirt. And I got this in a size medium because, yeah, I wanted to make sure that the skirt fit. And have a little slit at the side or whatever. So, yeah. I got a little slit too, y'all. This is not about you, sis. I will give this a, because I could see the potential with the heels and that. Well, that's what I would do. I'm gonna give this a 10. It's cute. It's cute. I like the off the shoulder. I like the pattern on the skirt. That's cute too. You know, my favorite color is black, so you know I love that. And you know, it was another one that came with a black top, and I was like, that's too much black. That's too much black. I think the white, because it brings out what's in the skirt. Yeah, it brings out the lines in the skirt, and it fits your body nice, your curves nicely and everything. So yeah, I give it a 10. I'm pretty sure if you were to put accessories with it and put some shoes and for stuff, sure. Yeah, I would wear heels with this stuff. Yeah, that outfit like a heel. Because you can dress it down and you can dress it up, but I would rather dress this up. Right. And I'm really loving the off the shoulder thing, and yeah, I just like it because you have a split here and then you have, you know, off the shoulder. I'll give that a 10. Okay. Yeah, because my baby's a 10, period. Okay. 10, honey, all across the board. But yeah, guys, so far so good. I really like that little. I'm like, hey, y'all, I might be stealing some of her stuff. No, you're not. I might steal. I ain't listening to her. I'm gonna steal a couple things. No. Okay. You're just rating the top though. Right. Oh, that's cute. I love the color. Okay, so yep, this is a size small. It's like a little, it's a longer crop top, I guess. But yeah, and it says whisper. And yeah. So
that's cute, girl. I like that. I like the color. I like the pink. It's very pastel.
And I love pink.
Yeah, it's cute. Can you turn around so I can see what it says? Okay, okay. Whisper. All right. I give this a 7.
What?
I give it a 7. It's okay. Like, it's not wow. It's just okay.
I think I could really make a cute outfit with this though.
Yeah, I like it. 7. I think 7 is still good because considering it's not a full outfit. So yeah, 7.
Okay.
Not at all.
You're not rating me?
Not at all. I feel like Santa Claus.
Rating
You don't want to see the rating here?
You're not rating me?
Just pushing your gut. If you and then I know what to do. No sir.
Alright.
Oh, a chicken trick me.
Rate me now.
A chicken trick me. What, sir? I rate nobody here now. Blood. Can nobody get a 10?
Yeah.
10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10. Oh, 8. 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10. Yeah, Kamar. Yeah, at.
Okay, you can open it out. I'm just rating the shirt.
Oh, that's cute. I like that shirt. And for you boys, don't get any ideas because the shirt says no thanks.
Anyways, so it says no thanks, as you can see.
You know what?
Yeah.
I was going to give this shirt like an 8 or a 7, but because it said no thanks, you get a 10. 10, 10, 10. Okay? Yeah, I like it though. It's cute. And it's black. I like black. I like the pink writing on it. I like it.
Okay. Next.
Yeah, I like that. Next.
So this is just the top.
Okay, honey. Come out with the snake skin.
It's a little snake skin, you know. So what do you rate this, Mia?
I rate that a 10. I think it's very cute. I love the tie. And yeah, you could do a lot of things with that tie. You could do a lot of different styles with it and be creative with that. So I like that. I like the snake skin print. Yeah. 10.
And I can even probably put the shirt upside down and tie this around my neck.
Around it. That's what I'm saying. You can get creative and do a lot with that. Yeah. I really like that. I really like that shirt. I really like that shirt. But yeah, I like that shirt.
You're not still with the shirt.
Yeah, so yeah.
So
10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10.
There's another 10. Period. On to the next.
Ooh, this is cute. It's giving me cherry vibes, but it's not actually, it's flowers. Right?
Yeah. Oh, and then the back is open and it has the tie.
Let me see. Oh, that's cute. That's very summery.
Yeah.
Ready for summer, girl. I'm going to give this one, I'm going to give this a 7.
There you go. Details, you know. And yeah. On to the next. There you go. Open now.
Oh, that's cute. California Dream.
Yeah.
That's cute. Oh, honey.
So
Ooh.
this is the top.
Your mama like that.
And the front. And I tied it around the front, but you can tie it around any way you want. And then the back.
That is so cute. Girl, yes.
So what do you rate it, ma'am?
That gets a 10. Cute. 10. That's
Period,
cute.
Pooh. Open.
Ooh, baby girl. I like this. Yes, this is cute.
Okay, yeah.
I think that a 10. I like that shirt. It's cute. I think that would look cute with some jeans or, you know.
Yeah.
That would be cute. I like that. I like the material. It's like a mesh type of material. This is cute. I would rock this. Yeah. 10.
Right. Next.
God, girl, you coming with the 10s, honey. Yes. Ooh.
So the
Actually,
shirt,
got a skirt. That's cute.
the shirt and the skirt is from Shein, and they got the little pockets or whatever. Yeah.
It's a cute turtleneck.
Yeah. And it's a long term blade, so I have to fold it.
Oh, that's cute.
And it says "Babe" at the top.
I like the chain on the skirt. I like the shirt. The shirt, it's okay. I think turtleneck right now for the summertime.
Not for
You're
the
probably
summer.
gonna have to wear that during the winter when it
That's
starts
why
to
I
get
like it.
back cool. But
Yeah.
I love the skirt. Love the skirt. I think that is so cute. It's edgy with the chain link on the side. Yeah, I like the pockets on the side. It's cute. I really like the I give the skirt turn around, let me see the skirt again. I give the skirt a 9 and I give the shirt a
Don't think for summertime. I didn't get it for
I know. But I give the shirt like a 6. It's okay.
Okay, next.
Ooh,
So this
that's
is
another t-shirt dress.
Yeah, it's a t-shirt dress and it is very comfortable. So yeah.
I like that. I think it's cute if it's your body shape. I like it.
You can wear sandals
You can
with
wear
it,
sneakers
shoes
with it. Yeah.
With my little scrunched up socks.
I give that a 10. I like it. It's cute.
Okay. Oh, this is like a nightgown. I got it too big. But it's supposed to be a t-shirt.
What
dress.
size is that?
Medium.
Baby, you need to get that to me.
No.
You could have gave it to me. I like it. 10 if you're giving it to me. If you're not giving it to me, 0.
Okay, well, I guess I got a 0 then. Ah! You know what I can do with this? I can really DIY this and make it fit.
Yeah, you could do something to it. She act like she don't want to give me anything.
Give it an edgy look or something.
That man, that nice. I like it. It's cute. I like the colors on it. You know, I like colors and shit.
Yeah.
I like that. It's cute.
Yeah. Dang, why I gotta be so big?
But you get that 0 because you're not giving me.
But it's cute, I guess.
Still a 0.
Okay.
Ooh, this is cute.
You already saw the shorts.
Yeah, I already saw the shorts, but the
Yeah.
shirt is cute. It looks comfy. I love the colors on it. Very summery. You could throw them on with some tennis shoes and keep it pushing on a chill day.
Yeah.
This is nice.
I can even wear these shorts with it, honestly.
I give the shirt I give it a 9.
Okay. Yeah, it's chill. It's like, it's not nothing too much. It's just something to throw on.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Next.
This is a bodysuit.
Okay.
So, this is the bodysuit. And I just put the jean skirt with it just because y'all can't see my goodies out here.
That bodysuit.
What you trying to say?
Ooh.
What are you trying to say?
I
Like,
don't like it.
it's cute for the winter.
It's cute for the winter. I don't like the color.
What?
Definitely
I
don't
love
like the color. The color don't go right with your skin tone at all. No, ma'am. I'm just gonna give this. I'm gonna give it a 3.
A 3?
Yeah, I don't like it.
What, are you serious?
No, I'm serious.
A 3, bro?
A 3.
Lowered it halfway?
Yeah. I don't like that one.
Oh, Lord.
That one there for gold.
Nope.
Next.
Okay, okay. Still another bodysuit. What is wrong with the bodysuit? It's just long sleeve and the turtleneck.
I kind of like this. I'm not even going to lie. I'm not going to give this one a 3. I'll give this one. I'm going to give this one I'm going to give it a 6. It's just plain. But I like the white color. I think the white color complements your skin tone. That brown one, baby, just throw it in the trash. Yes!
You're only reading the jacket, though.
Oh my God, that's cute, girl. Ooh, wee.
I just put
Move
this
the hair out the way so they can see the back, the detail, the back of the jacket. Turn around. Ooh, that is cute. This gets a 10, boo. This jacket is really, really cute. I love the distress, you know, detail on it. That's cute, girl. This is nice. This is cute. I like that. Yeah, not bad. Period, honey. Okay, guys, so we rated all of the pieces that she got from Shein, and yeah, you guys can also rate the outfits down below in the comment section. Let us know what you rate each item, and yeah, and let me know if you agree with my rating of the outfits. So just leave your comments down below, your thoughts, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, honey.
Click that bell,
and
baby.
subscribe. Yeah, what are you doing? What are you waiting for? Click that bell so you can receive post notifications when we upload new videos. We will see you guys next time. Bye.